Hi, I'm Mike, and over the next couple of videos, I'm going to be replacing this cooktop and cabinet it's sitting on with a freestanding double oven. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. All right, here's my current cooktop and the cabinet it's sitting on. This cooktop will pull out, the cabinet will come out. I'm going to save the doors for another project, but I'm going to have to move the gas connection down somewhat, as well as the electrical downward. So I'm going to get rid of this cabinet. I'm going to have to contend with the toe kick down there because that's got to come out because this new oven slides right in. It's big and weighs about 400 pounds. All right, first thing, I'm getting rid of the cabinet doors. All right, I've got the doors off. I have unplugged the power. I've turned the gas off perpendicular. And now I'm just going to remove where this gas line runs in to the bottom of this regulator. I'm gonna remove this fitting right here, pull it out, and then I don't see that the cooktop is secured anywhere under there. And I'm thinking it's just sitting on top of a board back there. It's hard to see. But I think that's all it's going to be, is to lift it straight off. All right, and I ended up taking off the whole pipe from the bottom because as I lift it up, it's going to want to get hung up on the counter, that hole up there. So I just took it off and I don't have to worry about it now. So here's where I am. I'm going to remove the screws that hold these side cabinets together. One there, and then there's two more from this side of the cabinet into this style. And maybe beat on it a little bit and see if we can get it out. One of the issues I'm gonna have is for the old cooktop, they cut this goofy corner here. So I'm gonna have to cut, this is quartz, just cut a line straight in on either side. Get rid of this ledger piece. This looks like that is glued in, and just start removing this whole cabinet. So I'm going to try to break this cabinet apart. I've got electrical that's secured to the back of this cabinet and also a gas line. So you can see a gap in here on either side. I'm going to start breaking this and loosen the pieces so I can just start taking it out piece by piece. All right, here's where I am. I just took a pry bar and started moving stuff and shaking stuff, and I took the side walls and folded those in, and this, here we go. There's the face frame gone, so now I'm just going to clean up, and I'll have to either cut or break the back around these two because I don't want to disturb these, so I may just set a circular saw really shallow and cut around these and then break it apart, or I might just try to break it into spots and snap it off. All right, and the cabinet is gone. I did trim off this toe kick down here on either side so that I get a nice angle to push in. I'm going to glue that back or brad nail it in, but everything's ready to go. Next step up is going to be moving the electrical and gas. Well, I hope that video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.